Welcome to the video. Today we are talking about 10 interesting animals you probably never heard of. And they go like: quolls, genus Dasyurus, are carnivorous marsupials native to Australia and New Guinea. They are primarily nocturnal and spend most of the day in a den. Of the 6 species of quoll, 4 are found in Australia and 2 in New Guinea. Another 2 species are known from fossil remains in Pliocene and Pleistocene deposits in Queensland. Genetic evidence indicates that quolls evolved around 15 million years ago in the Miocene, and that the ancestors of the 6 species had all diverged by around 4 million years ago. Poecilotheria metallica, also known as the peacock tarantula, one is an Old World species of tarantula. It is the only blue species of the genus Poecilotheria. Like others in its genus, it exhibits an intricate fractal-like pattern on the abdomen. The species' natural habitat is deciduous forest in Andhra Pradesh. In central southern India, it has been classified as critically endangered by the IUCN. Pangolins, sometimes known as scaly anteaters, are mammals of the order Pholidota. The one extant family, the Manidae, has 3 genera: Manis, Fatigenus, and Smutsia. Manis comprises 4 species found in Asia, while Fatigenus and Smutsia includes a species each, all found in sub-Saharan Africa. These species range in size from 30 to 100 centimeters. The Chinese giant salamander Andreas davidianus is one of the largest salamanders and one of the largest amphibians in the world. It is fully aquatic and is endemic to Rocky Mountain streams and lakes in the Yangtze River basin of central China. It is considered critically endangered in the wild due to habitat loss, pollution, and overcollection, as it is considered a delicacy and used in traditional Chinese medicine on farms in central China. It is extensively farmed and sometimes bred, although many of the salamanders on the farms are caught in the wild. It has been listed as one of the top 10 focal species in 2008 by the Evolutionarily Distinct and Globally Endangered Project. Red panda Ailurus fulgens, also known as the lesser panda, is a small mammal native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. It has dense reddish-brown fur, with a black belly and legs, white-lined ears, a mostly white muzzle and a ringed tail, though both possess elongated wrist bones or false thumbs used for grasping bamboo. The species has been listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List since 2015. It is protected in all range countries. The axolotl, or Mexican walking fish, looks like a baby its whole life and has a permanent smile on its face, is a pedomorphic salamander, closely related to the tiger salamander. It is unusual among amphibians in that it reaches adulthood without undergoing metamorphosis. The axolotl is native only to the freshwater of Lake Xochimilco and Lake Chalco in the Valley of Mexico. The axolotl is carnivorous, consuming small prey such as mollusks, worms, insects, other arthropods, and small fish in the wild. Axolotls have barely visible vestigial teeth, which develop during metamorphosis. The primary method of feeding is by suction, during which their rakers interlock to close the gill slits. The fennec fox Vulpecida is a small crepuscular fox native to the deserts of North Africa, ranging from Western Sahara and Algeria to the Sinai Peninsula. Its most distinctive feature is its unusually large ears, which serve to dissipate heat and listen for underground prey. The fennec is the smallest fox species. Its coat, ears, and kidney functions have adapted to the desert environment with high temperatures and little water. It mainly eats insects, small mammals, and birds. Its main predators are the Verreaux's eagle owl, jackals, and other large mammals. Fennec families dig out burrows in the sand for habitation and protection. The fishing cat Prionelurus vivarinus is a medium-sized wild cat of South and Southeast Asia. Since 2016, it is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Fishing cat populations are threatened by destruction of wetlands and have declined severely over the last decade. The fishing cat lives foremost in the vicinity of wetlands, along rivers, streams, oxbow lakes, in swamps and mangroves. The Venezuelan poodle morph is a mysterious and fluffy insect that's only been found once and was not sampled. This morph was discovered in 2009 in Venezuela and is said to resemble a poodle. That is, if poodles had huge wings and feathers instead of ears. So far, its taxonomy hasn't been established, and there is no way to find out any more about it. Without further investigation, there has only ever been one single photo of the unidentified Venezuelan poodle morph, which is shown above. Any other photos you may have seen will be a different morph species or simply fake. Glaucus atlanticus, or the blue sea dragon, is a species of small blue sea slug, a pelagic Iolid nudibranch. These sea slugs are pelagic. They float upside down by using the surface tension of the water to stay up, where they are carried along by the winds and ocean currents. G. atlanticus feeds on other pelagic creatures, including the Portuguese man-o-war and other venomous siphonophores. This sea slug stores stinging nematocysts from the siphonophores within its own tissues as defense against predators. Humans handling the slug may receive a very painful and potentially dangerous sting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and smash the like button. See you in the next video.